In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your own email list for free. And I bet you haven't seen this kind of strategies before anywhere, YouTube or anywhere else. So please follow this video till the end so that you won't be missing any of my strategies. And there is a bonus in between. So please watch this video till the end and make use of this for your marketing purpose. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Make Direct by Supari, helping you to make money through online. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your own email list for free and make use of for your marketing purpose. So before jumping into the video, so you can find a link in my all videos, like you can visit my videos. You would be finding a link stating start working from home today without any experience or tech skills or a product knowledge. So this course would be charging you $1 and you can learn much more from the strategies what I'm showing in this video, or else in all the videos where I'm into it. So please, if you're interested, you can go check this out. If not, then you can directly come with my YouTube channel. And if you're new to the channel, just click the subscribe and bell icon so that you won't be missing any notifications from next time. So let's jump into this strategy. The first step what you need to do is just log into your Gmail account, and here you would be finding this Google Apps option. Click on this and there would be an option called contacts. So open it and keep it aside. And here is the second step. Visit recruitin.net. okay, I'll put the link in the description, you can please check with that. So you need to visit this website, and here you need to select a country. You can target people from each and every country. Okay, so as a tutorial I would be targeting people from United States. So job title, enter the job title. There are a lot many jobs available. So I'm from digital marketing background, so I would be searching for people who are in need of SEO. Why? Because now, as an like an example, I'm going to show you how to market your YouTube channel, okay, and get subscribers from them, or else showing your YouTube videos to them and getting views, likes, as well as subscribers. So as an example, I'm showing you how to get subscribers, likes, and views. You can do with your own YouTube channel or else with your own business. Okay, if not YouTube channel, if you have any business, you can also do with your own business also. The first step, this is the second step. You need to visit recruitin.net, and from there I would be targeting people from United States. There are a lot many countries available. You can target accordingly. And I'm working on make money online niche, so I'm targeting people from digital marketing background. Especially the first step is like I'm targeting people from who's looking for job into SEO. Okay, and just click on find the right people on LinkedIn. Okay, why LinkedIn? So there are different options available there. Okay, you can make use of those options, but on LinkedIn you would be finding lot many resumes, including Gmail IDs, Yahoo IDs, and many more over there. So I've got the link. Okay, I would be copying this link. Just directly enter in the URL bar. See, here we have got all the information here. So what we are looking for emails. Okay, so here just give space, type @gmail.com. okay, you need to enter this commas, and inside this inverted one you need to enter @gmail.com. why? Because it would be particularly searching for people with gmail.com. so click on search now. So you can clearly see we have got lot many resumes on LinkedIn with gmail.com. okay, there are lot many Gmail Gmail accounts. You need to do one thing, only 10 per page, 10 links would be visible. So go to settings, click on search settings, and here you need to results per page, you need to select 100. Okay, once you select 100, you can easily download all these 100 Gmail accounts. So let's see how many pages are available. Okay, there are 4 different pages, like 400 emails approximately. So I'll do one thing, I'll just click Control A, okay, and Control C, Control A and Control C, copy each and everything what is available on the page. Okay, the next step what you need to do is visit hsupertools.com/email text extraction. Okay, this is very super cool tool I found in while giving and like by searching on Google. I found this tool and this is really excellent and it would be helping you a lot. Okay, so paste that data what we have copied on here on Google. So you come to hsupertools.com and paste the data over here and click on get data. So what does it do? It just extract only emails and give us a detailed information. Here we would be finding all this detailed information over here in extracted emails. Let's just check whether we would be getting all these emails or not. And after this I would be giving you a bonus tip, right? Why? Because you need to check whether these emails are valid or not. Okay, so there is no free tool available, but I'm having a free tool with me, so you can log into that free tool and check whether these emails are valid or not. So let's it would be taking some time for the email to get extracted, so let's wait for a bit time and just check whether we have got the valid information or not. Here you can see I've extracted around 88 Gmail IDs. You can see 88 Gmail IDs. So copy this. Okay, as a bonus tip I've shown you, like you need to validate this, whether you need to check whether this Gmail IDs or email IDs are validated or not. So the other site we would be working is on leopathu.com. I'll just mention this link in the description, you can please check with that. Okay, so what you need to do, just visit that link and copy all the email IDs what you have extracted here on SuperTool. Okay, hsupertools.com, copy these IDs and paste it here in this website. I'll show you how to do that. Paste all the Gmail IDs what you have got, click on validate. Let's see, we would be getting a ready-made report. See, 86 emails are valid. Okay, and we have got 2, one is domain invalid and one is role filtered. So we need to click on this and automated Excel sheet would be generated. I've clicked on this valid email, so I think there would be an automated email would be generated. Let's wait and see. Or automated what we call Excel sheet. See, here you can find like all the Gmail IDs. So you have done nothing, just you have extracted around 86 Gmail. So the next step what you need to do, come to the same search bar and you have typed Gmail and let's check for Hotmail, hotmail.com. So what all emails IDs would be available, please check with that. So we have got around 1500 results. Okay, I'm going to copy all this Hotmail. I'll just copy this. I would be following the same procedure. Okay, I can come over here, click on email text extraction tool. What the information I've copied there. Okay, click on get data. So I would be getting all Hotmail. See, I've got all Hotmail IDs. So I would be copying this and go to verification tool, click on back to form, and here I would be validating all this Hotmail. So let's check how many Hotmail IDs would be valid. Click on validate. I've got details around 91 Hotmail emails. I've got it. So I'll click on this. So already I've generated, like, see, this is Hotmail, sorry, this is Gmail. So already we have generated this Gmail, Hotmail, sorry, this is Hotmail. So I would be copying this Hotmail IDs, Control Shift down arrow, Control C, and paste it in the Gmail list. Okay, I'm just collecting this. Let's check for yahoo.com. Okay, go to search bar again, and here type Yahoo. Hotmail.com, now yahoo.com. See, I've got 3,590 results on LinkedIn. Okay, I'll copy it, visit email extractor, click on email text extraction tool, and please watch this video till the end. I'll show you how to email also, how to email people using your Gmail account. And I'm going to paste all the Yahoo IDs here in this tool. So if you are facing any kind of difficulties pasting the IDs and not getting extracted with the emails, so you just do one thing, just go and register, so that you would be finding more information, like you would be having more access to this website. So click on get data and you would be having all the Yahoo IDs filtered here. So let the IDs get filtered. So follow the same strategy and save it in an Excel document. All the emails you save it in one Excel document. Okay, so once you get Yahoo IDs also, I would be going and saving it over here. So I've received all the Yahoo IDs. Okay, and you can also check duplicates here. I guess there is no option to check duplicates, but that's not a problem. Go paste it in the verification field, click on back to form, enter your Yahoo IDs, click on validate. "52 emails are valid," so I would be like copying all these valid emails. These are all Yahoo emails. Control Shift down arrow, copy it and paste it in a single Excel sheet. Okay, where all you will be finding all your Hotmail and Yahoo.com. So continue this process on each and every page. Okay, so I've done only on one page. As an video I'm just showing you, but you need to do it separately. Just go visit all the Gmail in page 1, and second do only the Gmail in the page 2, and in the third page also make use of only Gmail. So once you have completed all the pages on Gmail, come and jump on other tool like Hotmail or Yahoo.com. So by doing this, you would be finding nearly about 2,000 to 3,000 emails for free. So copy this email and save it in an Excel. So the next step you need to do is, as I shown you in the beginning of this video, you need to create a Google contact form. Here you need to import your contact. So I will show you exactly how to do that also. But if you are like having an idea of removing duplicates, you can remove duplicates from this Excel sheet. If not, then I would be showing you how to remove this duplicate. So here is where to remove duplicates on Excel sheets. Click on data tab. Okay, click on remove duplicates and select this column. Okay, select this column and click on remove duplicates. I'll show you. Select this column, click on data tab, remove duplicates. So here a column A would be asked, so you need to select column A. Two duplicate values found and removed. 227 unique value remains. Okay, this is how we need to remove duplicates on Excel. Now here comes the marketing strategy. I'm going to promote my YouTube channel to all these emails which I've collected from google.com. So you need to create an CSV file. Make a note, CSV file. The first column should be for name and the second column should be for email IDs. Okay, the first column should be for name and the second column should be for email IDs. So once you have created a CSV file, save it in a CSV files all the emails and save it. Okay. So here you would be having an import contacts option. Click on that and select a label. You can create a label. Okay, you can create a label, new label over here and type. I've already created, so I would be selecting this label, and here I would be selecting the file. So in download section, I'm having contacts option, so I would be selecting that file and click on import. So you can clearly see I'm importing around 227 emails, 226 emails. Okay, all the emails got imported. So this is the easiest way. You can send bulk emails also. Okay, at a time you can send 226 emails. So I've already created an email newsletter. Okay, you can check with this. I'll just decrease the size once. Okay, so this is an email newsletter made direct by Sopari. I'm redirecting these people to my YouTube channel. So I'll show you clearly how to create this email newsletter. Visit canva.com. Okay, visit canva.com. I will mention the link in my description also. Okay, click on create a design. You need to sign up for this. It's quite easy, and search for email newsletter. So you will be finding email newsletter over here, and I'll show you which one I have selected. There are a lot many. See, I have selected this one. So from this I've selected a newsletter. So there are a lot many templates available here. You can select any template. Okay, and this is how I've created. I've already created this image on Canva itself. So I've copy pasted from there and attached over here. So I've mentioned the information, what all things I would be providing. Okay, and here I've given a link. I've downloaded a PDF, like I've given a link to this YouTube channel. Okay, I've also downloaded an PDF, and I also downloaded an PNG. Okay, in two different formats I've done this. I've saved it in my downloads option. See PDF, and you would be also finding this PNG. So this is how you need to create your email newsletter on canva.com. There are a lot many tutorials on YouTube. You can check with that. If you like, if you like me to make tutorials on canva.com in depth, so please comment Canva tutorial in my comment section, so that I can make a video. I can make a series of videos on canva.com. Here you can see all these emails are added successfully. Now the only thing you need to do, the only left out thing is like you need to email your contacts. Okay, I'm going to do marketing with my YouTube channel. I would be sharing all this information to the people where I've added in my contacts. Okay, I would be sharing in the form of an email. I've also already created an email on Canva. Okay, you can find all the details over here, and comment down below Canva tutorial if you are interested to learn more about Canva. So here I would be mentioning to my email itself. Why? Because in two, if you mention all the details, like all the emails, everyone would be like visible to each other, like all the emails would be visible to each other. So in two, please mention your, like page today 24 at gmail.com. For example, say this is my email. Okay, select BCC option. In BCC, you have already created SEO library over there, so you need to select this SEO library. Once you click on this SEO library, all these emails, I guess there is some error with this Gmail, so I'm going to remove it. So all these emails would be selected. Okay, select the subject: free workshop, make money online 2020. Mention hello, like your greetings as you wish. Now here I'm going to insert the saved image. On my download options, I'm having image already saved, so I'm going to insert this image. I'll click on open. The image is added successfully. So I need to give a link, like I need to link this to my channel. So I would be like, and I'll directly paste it in the email with text. Okay, here I would be pasting it, text or display. So it's click here to open. And the website URL, I would be pasting it here and clicking on OK. But this is how you can see our email. Okay, you can also mention any brief information you like to showcase there. So I would be mentioning this information there. And now I'm going to send this email to all these 226 contacts. You just click on send and everything is done automatically. So this is the easiest way to send your emails to your targeted customer. Okay, follow each and every steps as I shown you in this video. Okay, and everything would be mentioned in my description also. All the links, the website links would be mentioned in my description. If you really like this video, okay, please support me in the way of subscribing and hitting that bell icon and watching. And also you can also watch my previous videos where I've shown you clearly how to earn money without investing any bug on any of the strategy. Even like everything would be really free when you come to my channel, Make Direct by Supari. So guys, please do subscribe if you are new to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any other next notifications from my end. And you have a great day. Take care. Bye bye. See you next time.